Hey guys, today we're going to draw all of the Poppy Playtime characters, so grab a pencil and paper and we'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with CatNap, and we'll do that by drawing 2 circles. They don't have to be really perfect circles at all. In fact, if they aren't, that's probably even better. And then on the inside of these 2 circles, just 2 more, and we'll fill those in dark. Alright, and then between we'll do this kind of rounded triangle for the nose. And then she's got this huge smile, so we'll do this big wide smile like that. And then curve and connect them together. A huge open mouth like that. And then just fill that in black too. Alright, now up above her eyes, we're going to do a curved top of her head, just kind of like a frowny face. And then draw another curve that's going to go around, and it's going to go all the way around the outside of that smile, all the way up, and we've got her head. Now let's add her ears. Her ears, it's kind of like drawing the McDonald's arches, except they're not right next to each other, but just a very large M like that. And then do 2 more lines on the inside. Like that. Alright, now right below her head, we're going to do a crescent moon shape that she's got. And we do that first because then right behind it, just draw a line that goes almost straight down, doesn't have to be perfect, and then over, and then back up. Kind of like the zipper for her pajamas. Alright, next, her arms, we're going to curve over to the left, over to the right, all the way down to about there. And then let's go ahead and, before we do more, I'm gonna kind of zoom her out a little. My plan is to put all the characters kind of in front of this, or behind this bench. So I'm gonna draw a line that goes all the way across like that. We'll curve on both ends, and then another line that goes all the way like that. And then let's just bring this one down, and on the right side, same thing. And again, this is just going to be kind of like a little bench that they sit behind, with little lines that go off on each side. Alright, let's get back to her. Okay, so now on the top of this little bench, we're going to just do these 2 curved shapes for her feet. We'll make this one a little 3D with, on the left, with another curve that comes down and in. Go across, same thing on the other side. And then on the left, we'll add this little bump for her hand. On the right, we'll just kind of do it as a line, a little curve like that. And then last, the insides of her arms, like that. Alright, I think CatNap is done. Let's move on to Hoppy Hopscotch. We'll put him right next to her. So same thing, let's start with the eyes. We'll go about here, and we'll do just kind of an ovally shape, not even close to a circle. And we'll fill those in completely dark, and then a rounded triangle for the nose. And he's going to be kind of looking to the right, so same kind of smile, just huge, but we're going to curve it like that. Okay, and then same thing, we'll curve all the way down, up and around, and we've got the whole mouth. Okay, now for the top of his head, we'll go and we'll kind of follow the contour of the eyes, but then we'll just bring it down like that. And then same thing, curve out and around that big, huge smile, up and in. Now, for the ears though, they're big bunny ears, so we're gonna curve all the way up and all the way down, much bigger than CatNap's ears. And we'll do that for both of them, with just little insides like that. On that left ear, do the same shape, but just on the inside, with a couple lines that go across. All right, now to go to his emblem, it's a lightning bolt, so just go right below the head, go straight down, over, down, and then on the right side, down, over, and down. And then for his zipper, a line that comes down on both sides, just like that, and connects. Okay, now the one thing I forgot to do was CatNap's tail. So before we draw more of him, we'll come over like this and down, and then curve like that and like that. Now she's got a tail. We just don't want to accidentally forget that. Now back to his arms. We'll curve over on that one, to the right with that one. The inside of the arm here, the inside of the arm on the left, with little curved lines for where the hands are. And we'll go ahead and just do a little bump there for his foot. So he was pretty quick. And I think they look pretty good together. Let's go ahead and add in another character. Let's do KickinChicken. Let's do KickinChicken over here. So to keep it kind of interesting, we'll have them looking to the left. So I'm going to start with the eyes again. We're going to do these two shapes. So hopefully by now you're seeing that they don't have to be completely round. In fact, they probably look better if they're not. But because it's a beak, we're going to do an upside down rounded triangle just right there. And then for the mouth, we'll curve over just like the other ones, but we'll stop and then we'll bring it down like that. They all have these huge mouths. Okay, and then the top of the head will go to there, and then we'll do the bottom where we come right along the front there of that smile and all the way up and around. And I'm kind of stopping there because there's this, I forget what it's called, like a gobbler that chickens have, but it's basically the hair on this character. And we're gonna just draw it in like this. So just do as I do on that one. And then for the emblem is a star. So right below the head, draw a star shape. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect. And then the zipper. So they all are gonna have this little zipper. We'll go ahead and do the right arm, or the left arm, I guess. It's their left arm on our right side. On both sides, they come down. And then off that arm, let's go ahead and draw the leg that just curves up and over like that. A little rounded front, and rounded on that side. And don't forget the front. All right, let's take a look so far. Awesome. I am happy with this so far. All right, let's go ahead. Next to CatNap, let's add in DogDay. Okay, so DogDay, same thing. We're gonna do some eyes right here. Fill those in dark. Rounded triangle shape. And then for the mouth, bring it around like that. And just like all the other ones, big, huge smile all the way down. And fill it in dark. And then same thing for the face, the lower face, just follow that smile all the way. Now we're gonna stop there because he's got these huge ears. So let's do the other side of the cheek and stop about there, and the top of the head, and stop there. Now the ear, huge floppy ear, almost like an elephant ear, all the way up, around, and back to where we started, just like that. The other side, we're gonna go up and down, and most of the ear is gonna be behind him. Okay, now he's got like a sun logo below his head. So we'll do kind of an egg shape and then sunbeam spikes, I guess we'll call them, on the outside of that shape, just like that. And then his zipper, so we'll go down just like that. And then I'm gonna go right to his foot. I'm gonna just curve it just like that. Let's do that one more time because I kind of drew over the top of the other piece. There we go, just like that. And then the other one is gonna be right next to it, with the legs that go over to the right, and then left arm that comes down, then right arm is going to be all the way over there off the head and down. We'll do the inside of his arm, little line like that, and the inside of the pajamas. Last thing, his tail, we don't want to forget that, which is going to be a dog tail, so it kind of looks like a shark fin, little bump. We're good. Look at that, we got 4 characters so far. Let's do Bubbaphant. Bubbaphant? I'm gonna draw him smaller and kind of in the background. So over here, we'll do again another oval shaped. I hope you guys are seeing a pattern here. And because his nose kind of covers a lot, let's do that before we do the other eye. So we'll go down and create this kind of big long snout. And then we can do his other eye over there. Then his mouth will come over all the way up to the ear for DogDay. And then we'll come out the other side like that. Kind of puts him behind DogDay. And then top of his head, I'll have his ear back there. Okay, his jaw, same thing, kind of follows the smile, a little bit wider on the other side. Okay, and then right below his face, we're gonna do a circle. I don't know what this emblem is, but it just looks kind of like a donut. And then arm on the left, arm on the right, inside left arm, inside right arm, and then we'll just do one of his legs like that. And he's probably our easiest character so far. All right, man, these guys are turning out good. Let's do one more character. If I still got you guys, let's do BearHug. Let's put him all the way over here, and we're gonna do big circle there, big circle there, dark eyes, and then same thing with the nose, but you know, it just rounded triangle upside down. Hopefully you guys, this will be kind of stuck in your heads and you'll be able to draw these characters anytime you want because they all kind of have a very similar makeup. Same thing with the mouth, all the way down, around, and then top of the head, and then his ears are kind of these, they look like donuts inside his head. It's bare ears, so just completely rounded, the line on the inside. Now it's got a heart as the emblem, so let's add that. It's pretty cool. And then the left arm that curves down, the right arm that's going to curve down, in and up, little line there, inside of the chest there, and then let's just do a big rounded shape there for his foot that kind of curves over to the right there, like that. And there you go. All right, add a little line between the eyes. Let's do the same thing with DogDay, little line between the eyes. And there you have it. We have all of the characters, or at least the main characters from Poppy Playtime. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself today. Make sure you like, subscribe, all that good stuff if you want to see more lessons, and I will see you guys next time.